What's up, family? As always, a little more information here to keep you up to date what's going on. I did a video on this a couple of months ago about the La Palma volcano, and if the piece of the island actually break off, it's going to send a tidal wave to the east coast and put New York City all the way down to Florida underwater. You're not seeing it on the news because they don't want people to panic, but people that know, they're actually leaving the east coast and moving further inland. But anyway, here's a clip on what's happening recently.
La Palma volcano warning. Unstoppable lava clocked at record speeds of 10 m per second. La Palma's erupting Cumbre Vieja volcano is pumping streams of scorching lava into the ocean at record high speeds, officials have warned on Wednesday. The Canary Islands Volcanology Institute, in Volcan, clocked the flows of molten rock at speeds of up to 10 meters per second. According to the agency, these are some of the fastest lava flows volcanologists have ever seen on the island. The update arrives on the 66th day of the eruption, which has displaced thousands of people, destroyed homes and wiped out entire fields and crops. The lava flows are presently feeding a new lava delta near the town of Tazacorte on the island's western coast. Lava deltas form along coastal areas when large quantities of volcanic material flow into a body of water, forming a new stretch of land. The newest delta started forming on Monday when a stream of lava crashed into the ocean, prompting authorities to confine some 3,000 local residents. The new delta formed just 1.2 miles from another delta that developed on the coast in late September. According to Involcan, the responsible lava flow has been streaming towards the coast past the mountain of La Laguna. On Tuesday, the agency shared a number of videos of the stream to Twitter. One clip was captioned, "The lava flow continues its unstoppable advance in the surroundings of La Laguna Mountain." In another video, a lava flow can be seen moving through a burning banana plantation. And a third clip showcases clouds of billowing steam rising from the sea where lava made contact with the water. At a steady speed of 10 meters per second, about 22 miles per hour, the lava could travel the distance from Cumbre Vieja's cone to the cliffs of Tazacorte in about 10 minutes. The Cumbre Vieja volcano has been erupting since September 19, casting the Canary Island into a state of chaos. As of Tuesday, satellite data compiled by the European Copernicus Emergency Management Service indicate more than 2,670 buildings have been destroyed by the natural disaster. The lava is also estimated to have covered a total of 1,074 hectares of land. The island itself, headspace, as a direct result of lava flowing into the ocean and solidifying. The eruption has also disrupted operations at La Palma Airport, which was forced to shut down for 5 days due to volcanic ash. Video clips shared on Twitter appear to show airport staff in hazmat suits and masks using leaf blowers to clear the airport's runway. Volcanic ash can be extremely dangerous to aircraft engines as it can clog up machinery, contaminate fuel systems, or even melt down due to the heat and cover critical parts. Last month it was revealed an official on La Palma's neighboring La Gomera Island municipality argued in favor of bombing the island. Casimiro Curbelo suggested further destruction to the islands could be prevented by using explosives to halt the lava flows. Discussing his left field idea, he said, "Maybe it's madness, but I get the impression from a technological point of view that it should be tried." However, activity had been weaker throughout the night and less lava was visible at night compared to previous days, but this changed dramatically in the morning, at around 9 a.m. local time.
Now, this was predicted by the Simpsons years ago that this is going to happen. And you know that the Simpsons prediction always come through so far. All the predictions normally come through, like the Colby killing in the helicopter, Donald Trump being president, Hillary Clinton. Um, a lot of predictions that they have predicted actually came true, and they predicted this going to happen, and they're going to send a tidal wave to the whole East Coast. So let's see what happened. Let's see what happened, folks.
An episode of sudden increase in the emission of lava occurred at the main effusive vent, and around 11 o'clock, from some of the most eastern emission points, a new voluminous and very liquid lava flow began to pour out towards the southwest, traveling parallel to the previous flow labeled number 10. The new lava flow quickly reached the southernmost end of the existing flow field and invaded new land, destroying a photovoltaic station and the Los Manches Cemetery. Although its advance has slowed down to about 25 m per hour later in the day, it is still threatening other urbanized areas, all of which have already been evacuated. Apart from this new lava flow, also the earlier flows number 7, 5 and 1 continue to be active. The increase in the lava emission rate also resulted in an increase of lava channels and overflows of the other lava flows that have been active in the past days in the area between flows number 4 and number 7 near La Laguna and around the Ney zone of the Todoque Mountain. No or only little lava seems to be currently reaching the sea entries, but this can change quickly, especially if the new flow remains active. At the cone, near continuous mild fountaining and dense ash emissions from the main vents have been producing ash plumes rising up to 4,800 meters elevation and drifting over to the east side where the airport remains out of operations. Ground deformation showed a slight decrease since yesterday, and while earthquakes have picked up a little bit, but no quake above magnitude 3.9 has occurred in the past 24 hours. In total, there were 12 quakes of magnitude 3.0 to 3.9 and 20 quakes between 2.0 to 3.0.
That's serious. All I can say, folks, is if you live on the East Coast, keep an eye on this volcano, because if the piece of island break off that is big as Manhattan, you're going to send a tidal wave like 1,200 feet or higher than that to the whole East Coast and put the whole East Coast, like I said before, underwater. So just keep monitoring what's going on that La Palma volcano off the Canary Islands off of Africa. Until then, folks, as always, subscribe, thumbs up. Love you guys. Now, peace out, one love.